operational for maybe 3 or 4 months or so. So, he's a newborn. We hit a point, and you guys can come on down too, like, let your back also take a look. We hit a point with our capacity where it actually wasn't assembly equipment that was a bottleneck. So, you know, we have a couple random batteries. He's still new. He's new. It's gonna work out. Thank you. So we hit a point in our capacity at one point in time when the bagger was lost. So come on down and go on a little. And so we were hitting that point where it's summertime, and then all of the meters, our international friends, they give out a lot of product. We had to hand bag a lot of the empty rotators. And so hand bagging was add a lot of labor costs and things, and they're all closed because the door is there. And folks would be pretty happy they got 11 empty rotators to a bag, but not so happy if they got 9 empty rotators to a bag. We get it, they're not cheap, but alone. So we hit a point where we needed to invest in our bagger. And so we can now bag 3 times faster than before. And he is still very new. So he was just brought online for the last 3 or 4 months. So they're still working out. Like the one little empty, he's just gonna like hang it out. Like a little vending machine. Is he gonna fall in or not? I don't know.
Somebody will get 11.
Somebody might get 11. It'll be a lucky day. Maybe it'll be you. I don't know. But it's fun to watch. And what's cool about this automation unit right here too is this was completely designed and built here. So we have an automation team. Typically for our bigger equipment, like full-on assembly, we have designers on site, but we work really closely with vendors to build those big pieces of equipment. So this was fun to be able to bring in-house and do 100% ourselves.
That's the best way to do it. Make it yourself.
It's fun, yeah. And I'm glad it's running. They've been running the bagger and on second and third shift, building mostly first and second, bagging on second and third. So a lot of the tours the last few weeks haven't had the opportunity to see our lovely bagger.